Welcome and good morning, my dear students. Students, how are you? I hope that you all are great. I am Rakesh Shinde. In this online session, I am going to teach EVS subject. You have already studied EVS in second standard. And today in this academic, I am going to teach you EVS-1. Students, do you know what is EVS? EVS means Environmental Studies. हमारा पर्यावरण means our surroundings. Environmental studies means the land, air and water in which people, animals live together. When we learn about land, water, people, plants and animals, this is known as environmental studies. Now I am going to teach you some basic things about EVS. Today's topic is our sensory organs. Do you know, students, what is sensory organs? Sensory organs means an organs tells us about our surroundings. Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sensory organs or sense organs. हमारे शरीर के ऐसे अंग जिसमें हमें अपनी आसपास की चीज़ों का या पर्यावरण का पता चलता है उसे हम ज्ञानेंद्रिय यानी सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. There are 5 sensory organs and they are our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and our skin. These are our 5 sensory organs and today I am going to teach you about our sensory organs. So, our sensory organs are sensory organs. There are 5 sensory organs and they are: first, eyes; second, ears; third, nose; fourth, tongue; and fifth organ, skin. These are 5 sensory organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. First sensory organ is eyes. What do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Ear. What we use the ear for? To listen, to hear. We hear with our ears. How do we smell? We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. How we taste? We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. How do we feel that the water is very hot or it's very hot? How do we feel? with the help of the skin. We feel with our skin. Let us read the examples of sensory organs. 1. Eyes. We see with our eyes. I repeat, students. We see with our eyes. Second, ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Nose. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Tongue. Tongue. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Skin. We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Students, now let us study in details about 5 sensory organs. First is eyes. We can tell the color of things we see. We can tell the shape. We can also guess the distance of things from us. So, we can see far distance from us. We can see near distance to us. We can see very far away through our eyes. We can see television. We can see a drama. We can see a movie with the help of our eyes. Second sense organ is ears. We hear with our ears. Mainly, we come to know what a person saying to us. The ears also tells us whether the sound we hear is sweet or harsh. They can tell us whether the sound is that of a bird or an animal. They also tell us which direction the sound is coming from. Third organ is our nose. We can smell with our nose. We perceive the smell of fragrance of flowers or incense because of the nose. It is the nose which tells us that is a false smell in the air or that is a food is spoiled. At such times, we can take proper precautions. The fourth organ, sensory organ, is tongue. We can taste with our tongue. The sugar and the jaggery are sweet. Bitter gourd is bitter. Lemons and raw mangoes are sour. Salt is salty. This way we can taste with the help of our tongue. Fifth sensory organ is our skin. We come to know if something is, we touch it, is very hot or cold, rough or smooth. Because of our skin, we can also feel the air is touching us. The air is touching us. We can also feel the cotton ball is very soft. That's all, my dear student. My 5 senses. I have 5 senses. I see with my eyes. I see the frog jumping. I hear with my ears. I hear the bird singing. I smell with my nose. The rose smell good. I taste with my tongue. The candy tastes sweet. I touch with my hands. The ice feels cold. Whatever I do, I use my five senses. Thank you, my dear student. Have a